The Movcan V60 electric bike boasts a robust 1,000-watt motor that enables it to reach exhilarating speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it ideal for those seeking a powerful ride. With its 48-volt 15.6 ampere-hour removable battery, this electric bike offers an impressive range of up to 70 miles in pedal assist mode, ensuring long journeys are possible without frequent recharging. Designed with 20x4-inch fat tires, the bike can effortlessly tackle various terrains, from sandy beaches to snowy paths, providing versatility for all-weather biking adventures. The full suspension system, combined with dual mechanical brakes, offers superior shock absorption and safety, delivering a smoother and more secure riding experience across diverse landscapes. Featuring 5 riding modes and a professional 7-speed gear shifter, the Movcan V60 allows riders to easily adapt to different terrains and riding preferences, enhancing both comfort and efficiency. The bike arrives 90% assembled and includes a 12-month warranty, providing peace of mind and support for any issues that may arise during use.